welcome. This is Melissa Armo with the Stock Swoosh, and we're halfway through the year of 2021. So far, it's been a good year. I run a live trading room, so I'm going to go over all the trades called in the live room so far from January through the end, well, it was actually the beginning of July, in the Stock Swoosh Show live trading room for 2021. So this is advanced trader results, $301,087. This is an average risk of $2,500 a trade. Again, you can use a beginner risk, which we can talk about more as well. If you'd like more information, you can email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. You can call me at 929-3200-GAP or follow me on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, or Skype. So earnings season is a great time to trade, and next week starts the summer earnings season. Really looking forward to it. And I mean, the one nice thing about earnings season is that you get lots and lots of gaps. So I'm very grateful for these periods of the year because it does make it hard to find something good every day. And I'm really trying to hone it down and to find one good stock pick a day, because really that is all that you need. And if you can find one good trade a day, you can day trade, boom, you're in, you're out, and that's it. And you're off with the rest of your day. So we'll go back to the beginning of the year. January, BA was a winner. Then on the 5th, second day of the year, SPY was a loser. And again, I use stops, which I teach in the Golden Gap course, which are limited order stops. Then on the 6th, Facebook lost twice. That just didn't work at all. BYD was a huge winner, and Apple as well. This was January. 7th, BYD, one trade worked, another trade lost. BA was a big winner on the 8th, and CCL. Haven't done this a lot this year, but eventually that's going to report earnings as well here this summer. Then on the 11th, Twitter lost, Facebook lost, Boeing lost, Twitter lost, Facebook lost, BA was break even, Facebook won, and Apple as well. And again, some days it seems like there's just where things are just not working in the right direction. And sometimes it has to do with the market. But the biggest days and the best days I ever have is actually one trade or maybe two, like you see here on the previous day on the 8th. And then Netflix was a huge winner on the 12th. And this was earnings back in January, $96.50. Huge move. Again, looking forward to Netflix, I think, which is next week too. CCL was a small winner then on the 12th. Boeing was a winner on the 13th. Twitter was a winner on the 14th. Wells Fargo, big winner on the 15th. I remember that. It was a great gap. Closed on the 18th for Martin Luther King Day. 19th was Twitter. Was a good one. 20th, Netflix lost on one trade, big winner in the second one, and UAL on the 21st. IBM was a nice winner. Always seem to make money in IBM on the 22nd. Apple was a winner on the 25th. Verizon, small one on the 26th, didn't move that much. Boeing was a winner, and the SPY, big one on the 27th. No trades on the 28th. While this is not that common, there are some days where there's no good gaps, and then the best thing to do is not to trade. It's obviously better than trying to force a move, which you obviously cannot do. 29th, SPY lost. Facebook was a big winner on the 29th of January. No trades on February 1st. February 2nd, UPS lost, SPY won. Q's, one loser, one winner on the 3rd. QCOM won on the 4th. SPY, one loser, then break even. QCOM, break even, and one loser. Diamonds was winner on the 8th. IBM lost, and Apple lost on the 9th. February 10th, ACAM lost, Twitter lost, and then a big winner on Twitter on the 10th. 11th was the SPY lost, and SAVE was a big winner on the 11th. Remember that SAVE trade. Disney lost the 12th, IBM lost, Twitter, big winner on the 12th. Closed on the 15th. Twitter was a nice winner on the 16th. No trades the 17th. Walmart won on the 18th. Twitter won on the 19th. Boeing lost on the 22nd. Walmart, big winner on the 22nd. And no trades on February 23rd. Then on the 24th, SPY lost and a big winner. Twitter lost to the first trade. And then Disney was a winner on the 24th. BBY lost on the 25th. Twitter, two trades that lost, and DPZ was a winner. Foot Locker was a nice one on the 26th. SPY worked on March 1st. DDD was a winner on the 2nd. Ross was a nice winner on the 3rd. SPY lost here on the first trade. Second trade worked. Again, this is called a retake. I do review that in the Golden Gap course. March 5th, GPS lost, Facebook lost, and GPS just didn't work at all. That gap failed. The 8th, Facebook lost, Apple won. Stitch Fix was a nice one on the 9th. 10th, SPY lost, Stitch Fix worked again. Oracle was beautiful for for 2 days in a row. March 11th and 12th, boom. Lilly won on the 15th, SPY won on the 16th, and no trades on the 17th. Apple was a huge winner on the 18th. Be interesting to see what Apple does this quarter. Nike was a big winner on the 19th, no trades on the 22nd. Again, discipline is very, very important. 23rd, Wells Fargo did not work at all. Apple was a loser, BA, huge winner. We did Boeing a lot last year in 2020, but we've still been doing it this year. 24th was GIS won, Q's lost, Netflix winner, and Apple big winner on the 24th. SPY one loser, one winner on the 25th. Facebook lost and Apple won on the 26th, and JPM was a good winner on March 29th. Then on March 30th, Apple won. Lulu was a winner on the 31st. Off for the week of Easter. No trades on the 12th. Fast lost on the 13th. Apple won, SPY won. And then BBBY was break even on the 14th. C was a loser. Apple was a winner on the 15th. And MS lost and BA worked on April 16th. No trades on the 19th. IBM was a winner on the 20th. Netflix, 2 trades, 1 winner, 1 loser on the 21st. LVS lost, Netflix won on the 22nd. INTC was a good winner on the 23rd. No trades on the 26th. And UPS was a big winner on April 27th. It's always a nice stock to trade. Has big, big moves for the price point. 28th, Save lost, Starbucks worked, and Microsoft was a winner on the 28th. I feel like we've done Microsoft a lot this year. April 29th was eBay, nice winner. The 30th, Twitter, 1 loser, 1 winner. Did Twitter again on May 3rd, won. There's the Microsoft again, big winner on the 4th. No trades on the 5th, again, discipline. And then May 6th, SPY lost, Uber lost, Netflix lost, Etsy was a big winner. On the 7th, BYD lost 3 times, 1 winner then, finally, and Shack was a winner. And then the QQQs was a winner on the 10th. So all of these trades were trades I called in the live trading room, and they're trades in the morning. Occasionally we'll do an afternoon trade, and then I'll send out an email, but most of the trades are in the morning. We're usually doing them between 9:30 and 10 a.m. Eastern time. So that's when you have to have the time available to day trade. And again, these are all trades which you would do as day trades on margin. You have to open up a brokerage account. The Qs lost here, Microsoft lost, Apple lost, Boeing lost, SPY lost, BA was break even and the SPY worked. Then on the 12th, May 12th, Microsoft lost, big winner then, SPY huge winner on May 12th. Again, this market, it's been crazy. May 13th, Babel lost, in 2 trades, Target was the big winner, remember that Target. 14th was Disney winner, Microsoft again on the 17th. T was a winner on the 18th. SPY lost and Hughes lost on the 19th, but AA was a big winner, and then a break even in the SPY. Cisco lost, but KAS worked on the 20th. No trades on the 21st. BYD was a nice winner on the 24th. 25th, Apple lost, Shack lost, 2 trades, and D1 was a huge one. That was a short on the 25th. JWN worked, positive. DLTR was a winner on the 27th, and the 28th HPQ was a nice trade to go into the Memorial Day weekend. And then for June, we had 2 losers in the SPY on the 1st. Amber lost, big winner in Apple on the 2nd. Off on the 6th through 7th. Stitch Fix did not work either trade on the 8th. Hughes lost, Apple was a winner, and Stitch Fix won on June 8th. Then we did Campbell Soup, 2 losers, and the market lost on the 9th. Then on the 10th, 1 loser in the SPY. Hughes won, Microsoft won. There's Microsoft again. 11th, CCL lost. Microsoft did lose on this day. But Lilly, 2 good trades and solid trades in the Lilly. Apple, nice winner on June 14th. No trades on the 15th. Oracle was a winner on the 16th. No trades on the 17th. Again, discipline. JPM was a winner, SPY winner. No trades on the 21st. Apple lost the first trade and a huge winner on the 22nd. Hughes were a winner on the 23rd, and KBH was a winner on the 24th. Then FDX was a winner on the 25th. SPY lost on the 28th. Hughes won though. No trades on the 29th. Apple big winner, and STZ actually was up at one point, but then ended up being break even. Mu was a nice winner to start out July. Second half of the year, 4,200, and Apple 3,850. So that is year to date. Again, advanced trader risk of an average of $2,500 a trade. You can risk $500 a trade. You can risk $100 a trade. It is based on the size of your cash account. And obviously, you have to look at how much margin you have or buying power. Again, you have to call a broker if you have questions about that. but these are all day trades, and we're in and out of them usually pretty quick in the morning. If I don't get a setup in the morning, I'm probably not doing anything on that day. But every single thing that I do is based on the gap. So if you want to come and learn from me, you would learn what? You would learn how to find the best stocks to trade each day. That's how I make the picks. That's how I call the trades in the room. That's how you see all of these ticker symbols. And you see here, this was a nice rally, and I just want to show you here a gap. This was the market. Closed here, gap down, fell. So a gap is different than the close and the open. Here the market closed at 4 o'clock and opened at a different price at 9:30. This is a gap down. Over here's a gap up. Market closed here at one price at 4 and opened here at 9:30 up. Open higher in the price. So this is a bullish gap and this is a bearish gap, okay? We do both, but I like to focus on the shorts. So do you have to risk $2,500 a trade? No. You can trade with a beginner risk. There are retail trading accounts. There are something called proprietary day trading accounts. You need to look into it. Or you can call me, email me if you have questions, but you really can trade anywhere that you want, as long as you can be nimble in and out of the day trades. Now let's talk a little bit about buying power. For example, when I take a trade, if I risk 50 cents or $1, that's what you're risking when you put the stop in. The amount of the cost of position is not what you're risking. These are not overnight trades. This is in, out, quickly, sometimes in seconds, sometimes in minutes. Okay, an hour would be a long trade for me. But for example, what do I mean by buying power? For $40 stock price with 200 shares, you need what? $8,000 in buying power to take it. That doesn't mean you need $8,000 in cash. You'd be able to take a position like that with a $2,500 proprietary day trading account with a 4-to-1 margin. And for example, if the stock was $1 your direction, you can make what? $200. Or if you have 200 shares and it moves $1, you can take a short, you can take a long. Either way, that's what? $200. And $200 a day is $1,000 a week. $1,000 a week is approximately, $52,000 a year, give or take holidays, and that is a nice chunk of change. Many people are not earning $52,000 a year trading. Many people are losing. Okay, let's just be honest. So how am I able to be so successful and call so many winners? It's because I've been doing this for so long. And I developed my own system. And the system, the Golden Gap rating system, again, is how I make the picks. That's how I'm choosing and narrowing it down. 26 points is a lot of things to look at, but it gives me the accuracy. So the accuracy is what counts, okay? And that's why I'm looking to get as many things as I possibly can in the point system. Now, you can grow a small account into a larger account if you want. I have some people that are doing that right now. They're not taking their profits out each month. They're trying to build the account up. You can day trade with a beginner account, or risk the only difference is your share size is smaller. So that's up to you. And again, if you have questions, you can always ask me specifically about that. But when we're looking to do these trades, I think it's important for people to know, again, know your risk ahead of time. And why are you doing this? Because you want to trade full time? I think the last year is really giving people pause, where they're really trying to think, what do they want to do with their life? What is their future? People are at a crossroads. They're realizing they're not happy with their jobs. They're realizing they want to change careers. They're realizing they want to do something else with their life. Or they want to have nicer things and improve their life, whether it's buy a nicer home, put in a pool, whatever. People are realizing that they want a better quality of life. And I'm talking about specifically since COVID, okay? So if you're not happy with your job and you want to do something that you enjoy, maybe trading's for you. Maybe it's worth a shot to try to see if you really like it. And if you can do this on the side while you're doing your other job, that's the best case scenario then before you transition into a full-time trader. So for me, I focus on the Golden Gap course. I'm making money doing one trading strategy, that's it. And it's all in the 26 points. Okay, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm looking for every single solitary day when I'm making the picks. And again, I'm calling the trades live in the room. So the class is called the Golden Gap course. The next class is July 24th and 25th, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Cost of the class is $69.99. Class is online. You can be anywhere in the world and take it. Sign up early if you want to secure your spot. If you have questions, you can always reach out to me. You can always call me. You must email me for sign-up forms. If you're interested in more information, feel free to also give me a call at 929-3200-GAP, and have a safe and fantastic week, everyone.